everyone, this is Geeta. Hello everyone, this is Geeta More. Are you really worried about investing in mutual funds? Do you really think mutual fund investments are safe? Then you're at the right place. Welcome to Money Matters. What matters to you matters to us. Mutual funds always come with a disclaimer. You can always see in their documents and even in TV commercials that mutual funds are subject to market risk. Please read all the scheme related documents carefully. So let me tell you that this disclaimer is always in the favor of investors and it reflects transparencies to other investors. So the concept of mutual funds may be not new in India. It has started gaining popularity in the past few decades. Still, many of the Indians, we don't know what exactly mutual fund is all about, what mutual funds offers to us. So basically, firstly, it offers us transparency, liquidity and flexibility. Then your money doesn't get locked up, it gets invested. And the most important thing is, with mutual funds you can always beat inflation. Yes, by inflation I mean that our inflation is calculated on the basis of consumer price index. So currently the inflation of India is approximately 4.95% approximately, and so all your FDs and RDs are going to give you the same rate, approximately 4.7% around. So always your inflation will be going hand in hand with your FDs and RDs. So your FDs and RDs are going to give you the same rate of interest as your inflation. But wait a minute, did I tell 4.5%? Yes. So now the question arises, if the inflation is so low, then why would we really need to beat it? Because low inflation will result in slow economic growth, and slow economic growth means some problem in the economy, as we have experienced in this pandemic, where we have high employment rate and businesses are not very keen to invest and very low consumer preferences. So the mutual fund is the only option which can give you greater returns than this current inflation. The answer is power of compounding. Power of compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. The one who understands it earns it, and the one who doesn't loses it. So many people don't understand the importance of investing in mutual funds for a long term. So in the long term you will get the benefits of power of compounding, which you can put your hard earned money and generate great returns. You can watch your money grow all by itself. So how does the power of compounding works? Whenever a amount is invested, it earns interest. The interest is then earns interest on itself, and then that amount is compounded monthly. Thus you earn interest on interest in compounding, in the power of compounding. So the moral of the story is that just like students are taught various subjects in school, it is really necessary to inculcate knowledge of money, to know where we can invest our money, and to know how the inflation can impact on one's savings. So this financial literacy can be a game changer. So this concludes my session. In my next video I will be continuing as to what are the all good reasons to invest in mutual funds, and what role women play in mutual funds, and what SEBI has to offer to their investors, what SEBI can do to protect the interest of investors. So stay tuned. Till then, keep watching, keep investing.